Hello guys, my name is Bill, and today we're going to talk about Java. So, what is Java? Java is a programming language and it's very powerful. So, you can use it to build apps, build websites, and many other things. So, how do we get started? So first, open a web browser and search for JDK. And the first one to pop up, Java SE1, just click on it and click on Java download, and here accept license agreement. If you want to look at the license agreement, just click on this and you can read this through. For the most part it's good, so I'm just gonna click OK. Then just select the ones that match your system. If you're a Windows user, just click this and don't forget to check the bits. Then after you downloaded it, if you're a Windows user, you can just install it like a normal application, and so is Mac users. But with Linux users, it's a little special. First, after you downloaded the file, go to the directory that has your zip file and first sudo into your root account, and then just move the file, the zip files that you downloaded, and move it to here, usr/local/java. So just hit enter and also replace this name of zip file thing with the name of your zip file. Then if you get an error, just try first running this. So now that you've moved it to another place, let's cd to it. Okay, now here we can see the zip file and the ones that I have already downloaded. So I'll get back later. So now here we are, and we have one file in the directory, and we can unzip it. So tar xvzf and just copy this. Don't want to type it again, right? So here we just click. Oh, we don't need the sudo. Okay, so just unzip it, and almost ready. And here we can see that there's a directory here. This is what we want, and we can just delete the file, but delete the name of the zip. But I'm just gonna leave it there. And we also have to tell the computer where to find Java. So we're gonna edit the file etc/profile. Here already added it, but copy and paste this into the file. This thing tells the computer where is Java. So here you say where saved the JDK, and here you can leave it like this if you downloaded the JDK. And the passing, this is just for command line reasons. Household cleaning, just housekeeping thing. So just save the file. Of course, I'm gonna copy this one because it already has the version name and everything. If you downloaded a different version, you have to change this to the name of your folder. So now that we have saved it, we can try it out, and cd this. And first we check the version of Java, and okay, it says something. It has the correct version. And another thing, we check the version of Java C, and also we get a return value. So this is it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we're gonna make our first Java application. So have a good day, and subscribe for more videos like this, and go to my website www.whatsyouridea.com, and well, I'll see you in the next tutorial.